Hi guys, I just wanna show you a quick video how to change the gearbox oil, the automatic gearbox oil from a Vauxhall Corsa. Now you have to be very careful because you have to make sure that you don't open up this one. This is for the oil, and this is for the gearbox oil which we are draining now. They tell you that it's a sealed system and you never have to change the oil, but this is not right. So be very careful. That oil needs to be changed every 4 years to ensure that your gearbox is lasting for a long time. So please do not believe people who telling you that it's a sealed system and it doesn't need to be changed. It does need to be changed, and that's what we are going right now. So I hope this video helped, and do change your gearbox oil because the gearbox is gonna live a long time.